Yeah. Hello, everybody out there in YouTube land, Facebook land. Never land in the land of the rubber band. Yeah, this chief. Fucking caliper is leaking. I get the pads out. I don't use these pads for now. I'm just gonna fucking replace the side caliper. And I'll pull it outside upon and check those brakes. But yeah, always something happen. You always get challenges. Old chief fucking challenges one after another, but no matter what, gotta keep going up. Oh man, fucking grease everywhere. Yep, this is my garage. Not much of a garage. I would make a big fucking storage area in the back for my mom. But anyway, getting back on fucking subject. There you go. I like change front. I like set them up for the deep dish dually wheels, the coined ones like the one I get. I don't know if there's Ford wheels. I think I got 4, but I'm gonna try to go for not a set of Ford. You know, I got so much stuff on my mind. I fell with my ukulele, my 8-string right over here, and when it hit the ground, that thing right over there someplace, the fucking put a puka in the bottom of my fucking brand new fucking ukulele. I'm sick, man. But you know, everything for a purpose, you know. Oh, fuck. I was bored, so I was gonna go uptown and play some ukulele at the cigar shop. But apparently, somebody doesn't want me up at the cigar shop. You know what I'm saying? And it's nothing bad, you know. Not the day to be going up to the shop. And apparently I shouldn't be sharing too much of my Hawaiian music that way. But for my people and my family, but it's my problem right now. Look at that. Freaking leaking. One of the hardest ones for doing. So, hold on until next time, Chief out.